All right, I was just driving around town today because Jen's at work. We've had rain for a couple days, and I saw this little culvert here. I thought I'd get down and take the stuff out of it. Oh, I'm not used to filming by myself, so if it don't look that great, I'm sorry. I don't feel much more in there, but it's not flowing. Can you hear that? Let's go look at the exit. Yeah, that's why. It's got nowhere to go. I'm going to try to knock this down just a little bit with my feet. Well, that's going to help a little bit, but yeah, that one's completely underwater. So at least the exit is clear. Good thing there's not a lot of water coming down that road right now. All right, let's go find another one. All right, so me and Lou are out right now. This is a road that gets hardly any traffic, so I feel safe letting her out and run around with me. But this culvert we've done many a time. And when I drove by, I noticed there were some sticks down in it, so I'm going to get those out. Let's get down in here. Right. That's what the entrance looks like. It's not too bad, but I'm just going to pull these sticks out of here. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, that one's fine. Oh, let's leave it right there. Let's check this one. These sticks are just a nuisance. Oh, I think I see one more over there. Come on. No, I think it's floating through. All right. Ooh. So that's much better. Let's see if we can see through it. And let's go to the next one. Let's see if we can see. It's still raining a little bit this morning. Well, yeah, it's not noon yet, so. Here's the exit. Both floating really good. What you thinking about, Miss Lou? She's upset because it's raining because she didn't get to go on her walk today. So she's going to run around with me for a little while. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. All right, me and Jennifer have cleaned this ditch out before. And it's not flowing too bad, but this flows down to that creek down there. I don't know if you can't see it from here, but it's blocked off. The water's so high. I thought I'd go ahead and, clean this out a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it's got some blockage here. Okay, there we go. That's flowing good now. Let's go look at the exit real quick. Yeah, no problem now. All right, see if we can find another one. All right, so this creek almost kind of runs along this ditch. And they've cleaned it out pretty good, but if you notice here, is getting hung up in this fence. So I thought I'd come over here and see if I could clean that out just a little bit. It's piling up right here. Yeah, let's see what I can do with that. Come on. Don't go too far over there, Miss Lou. Alright, I think maybe that's good enough. Leaves through there. Oh yeah, that's dropped quite a bit already. Alright. There's still some leaves on the side I'd like to get right here. Well, there's more than I thought here. Okay. Lucy's on private property. Uh-oh. All right, so let's see how much this has dropped now. Oh, yeah, that's much better. It's dropped quite a bit. Now this creek can drain along this ditch, and you can see how far it goes off in the woods there. All right, we're gonna move on. All right, I found this culvert right here and it's blocked, so let me take care of it real quick. Oh, that culvert's damaged. Wow. I think maybe that's helping. Yeah, I don't think there's a blockage inside. And it is flowing now, you can tell right through there. Whoa. Yeah, you can see it flowing better there now. All right, let's go over here and look at this one. Here's one right here that's blocked too. Wow, that's flowing much better. Alrighty, much better right there. See how the culvert's damaged right here? All right, let's go check the exit. We should have looked at it before, but we did not. Yeah, it's coming out of there. Not very fast, but it is. So it just goes down this ditch down to there. All right, so this road has a tendency to flood, as you can tell. It's all on the road. So it runs down these ditches, which need to be dug out, but they're not, and it goes off here into the woods. So there's just a few places I thought if I knocked some stuff out it might help, like right here. I'm just going to use my feet right now. Yeah, that helped quite a bit. Yeah, that's going to help. Oh, okay. So that should help drain that out of the road a little bit. Let's walk down here into the woods just a minute. See if there's any more piles we can knock loose. Maybe a little bit right here. This runs down into a bigger creek down the road, through the woods, I mean. Yeah, look at it coming around that corner now. All right, I'm gonna drive down the road and see if I can find some more. All right, so just down the road from that last blockage, we have a little bit here. It's really got nowhere to go. Let me get my... Oh, hello, Lucy. Can you say hello to everybody? Let me get my rake out of the car. She's had a boring day till Mama got out and got around. That almost feels like concrete right there. Yeah, that'll help a little bit. It's just going to run off into this field. All right, let's see if we can figure out what's going on over here. I think there's only one more house down this road, so I'm not really blocking the road from anybody. Yeah, look how swampy this is. So the water coming down this ditch has nowhere to go because it's already full. So there's really not much we can do right. All right, well that wasn't much, but it'll help a little bit. I think that's a rock, actually. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. At least pull it to the side a little bit. There we go. Alrighty. She's a cutie pie, ain't she? She's got her seat cover in the back seat, or if not, I couldn't take her with me. Yeah. All right, we're still on this road. Got one more little spot here. It might help this from backing up. I'm just gonna move some of these leaves out of the way here. I'll go down there. Maybe this will kind of get out of the road. All right, there's somebody coming. I gotta move. All right, we got some leaves blocking this ditch here, so I'm just gonna get them real quick. This is the problem, this big old stick. There it goes. All right, that'll help alleviate some of that right there. This big one out of the way. Whoa. Oh, this one's got a damaged culvert. Yep. It's cleaned out there though. Let's check the last one. All right, I think we got them all. Got water coming down the side ditch over there. So all three of these are flowing good. See all the debris that's been pushed up here. Let's look at the exit. Yeah, flowing really good. Look at this. All this is getting caught up in here. So let me try to get that real quick. Whoa, it's slippery. Okay. Oh, there's a big piece of metal in here. I already took my gloves off too. Okay. Whew, okay. So part of the problem here is this tree here is still alive, and I don't have my clippers, but it can flow now. It's got blockages all up and down that. Alrighty, that's the end of that one. All right, got that drain a little bit better. It was covered in leaves, and it's coming out faster than it was anyway. Okay. All right, we found this waterfall. We were driving on this road right up there, and it's very pretty. But I'm gonna walk right up to the top there, so hold on. It's very pretty, isn't it? It's so soothing. Anyway, it comes down here, and it runs down through here. Goes all the way down to the bottom of the hill.